In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products on Big Cartel in just 5 minutes. If you're an artist or run a small business, Big Cartel provides an excellent platform for showcasing and selling your digital products effectively. Let's go through the process step by step, ensuring you're set up for success. Firstly, head over to Big Cartel's website. Once there, you'll notice a button labeled Login at the upper corner of the home page. Click on that to begin the login process. Before you do, make sure you have your shop URL and password ready because you'll need them in the next step. Having these at hand will save you time and keep things moving smoothly. After clicking Login, you'll arrive at the login page. Here, enter your shop URL and password into the respective fields. Confirm that your details are correct and then proceed by clicking the Login button again. This action will grant you access to your store's dashboard, the hub where all the magic happens. Once in the dashboard, find and click on the Products tab. This is where you can manage existing products or add new ones. You want to be in the right section to ensure you're setting up everything correctly for your digital items. Next, you'll see an Options button. Click on it to manage product options, which is particularly useful if your digital products come in different formats or versions. Once you've done that, locate the Add button and click on it to start adding a new product to your store. Now here's where you get to be creative with your product setup. Type in the name of your digital product. Be descriptive and engaging, as the product name is one of the first things your customers will notice. After that, craft a compelling product description. Highlight what makes it unique and valuable, as this information helps the buyer make an informed decision. Don't forget to add categories to your product listing. Categories help organize your products, making it easier for customers to find what they are looking for. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click on Done to proceed. Ensuring your product is visible is crucial, so make sure the status of your product is set to active. This step ensures that customers can see and purchase it on your storefront. Next, add the price for your digital product. Set a competitive price point that reflects the value while remaining attractive to potential buyers. If your product has variants like different versions or file types, make sure to add these under Add a Variant. This feature provides flexibility for you and options for your customers. Once you've configured everything and double checked your entries, hit the Save button. This action will save your product details and list your digital item in your Big Cartel store. And there you have it, you've successfully set up a digital product on Big Cartel. With these steps, you're ready